kids, I am apple. My color is red. I am banana and my color is yellow. I am orange and my color is orange. I am mango and my color is yellow. I am strawberry and my color is reddish pink. I am watermelon and my color is green. I am grapes and my color is light green. I am peach and my color is peach. I am black plum and my color is purple. I am chai and my color is deep red. I am plum and my color is red. I am apricot and my color is yellow. Now we know our fruit names and their colors. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.